Hello everybody. This class we are going to discuss about hormonal influence of spermatogenesis as well as structure of sperm. Now come to the first level, hormonal influence of spermatogenesis. As we all be discussing the 11th class, hormones of hypothalamus as well as pituitary glands. See, the pituitary gland produces two type of gonadotrophins. The gonadotrophins production is controlled by the hypothalamus hormone. What do you call this? What do you call it as? Yes, gonadotropin releasing hormone. Gonadotropin release GnRH. Now come to that. There are two type of gonadotropins from the pituitary glands which attacks the male reproductive sector and forming the so much of activity or forming the spermatogenesis. Now take the first one. There are two hormones I said LH, luteinizing hormones, which act on the Gillick cells. Remember, it's found in the interstitial cells. Now that cells are just producing the hormone called androgen. It's a male hormone. It's a male sex hormone which is act on the primary spermatocytes or germ cells which make the spermatotid formation. Spermatotid formation is taken care by androgens. So the next gonadotropin is FSH, follicular stimulating hormones, which attack the Sertoli cells. You remember Sertoli cells found in the seminiferous tubules. Now it's attached, then act on the whole process of spermiogenesis, or is taking care of completely spermiogenesis as well as spermiation of the sperms. So these are the two hormones completely taking care of the spermatogenesis. Now we come to the second part, structure of the sperm, typical sperm. See that the complete developed sperms consist of I think four important parts, which are head, a small neck. Third one is the middle part, that is a enlarged middle part. The fourth one is a tail. Head, neck, middle part and the tail. So these are the four main parts in the typical sperms. When you come to the first part, the head, it comprises somewhat elongated cone-like structure. The tip of the sperm is nothing but it is a acrosomes, which is comprises so many Golgi complexes. Golgi complexes have some kind of lytic enzymes which is very much essential for penetration of the egg membrane at the time of the fertilization. Now below the acrosome there is a haploid nucleus, then followed by the head there is a small neck. The neck encloses very important proximal and distal centrioles. Centrioles are there. Then followed by that, the third part is a somewhat lobed middle piece, what you call it as, which is occupied by the spiral mitochondria, is very much essential for the movement of the sperms into the egg membrane, whereas the last part is the tail, which is also used for the swimming of the sperms in the reproductive tract of the female. So these are all the four important parts of the typical sperms. That's all about the structure of sperms. Then again we'll meet you by the next video for oogenesis.